Okay, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will know how to create a game like Flappy Spaceship. Earlier video, I have learned you that how to make a Flappy bird. So today we will make a Flappy Spaceship game. So you have to open the code.org and click on or view all the templates. Click on Flappy project. Then it will open. Okay, so let's start seeing it. Okay, so let's have it. If you want, then you can click on the remix. For example, I have clicked on the remix. See here, I will click on this sci-fi. If you want Santa sci-fi, or mainly I am using sci-fi like this. If I will use Santa, it will like this. So it is good. Okay, so now I will have to set it. What? You can in Turkey. Not that. Okay. Let's see. No. So we will have to add this one specific. Let's see. See here. Okay. Set ground sci-fi or one use lava. Okay. If I will have to, I already set it. Now you will have to step the circle as laser. Okay. Next, it will show when kicked, wrapped, very large, wrapped a large amount. When it passes an obstacle, it will score a point. When it is hitting the ground and hitting the obstacle, then it will a game and it will play win sound. Okay, and if it will losing, then like this. Okay. So let's see. Okay, like this. So here what you have to do. See here we have set this obstacle laser. Okay. Next we have to use set gravity normal. Okay. So why it was not working, I have tell it because some problem was there. Okay. So you have to set the score 0. Okay. Set speed normal. Okay. No, I'm not at it. Okay, so all we have at let's see. Let's see again. Okay, like this. So thanks for watching. If you want to share, then you can share it also. So thanks.